Okay, well, start by going to this web page, datathief.org, and download the Datathief executable. Once it's downloaded, you'll be able to open it. You'll have to go through the usual security rigmarole to enable it on your system preferences. And now it's opening. And you'll see an interface that looks something like this. Now, so within Datathief, I'm going to open the image, File, Open, find the image, open it, and now you'll see the image has been imported. I click minus magnifier. I see several buttons. I'm clicking on Ref 1, Ref 2, Ref 0, and each of the icons blinks. Put Ref 0 at the origin, call it 0, 0. Take Ref 1, say the blue one, and put it on the x-axis at the far end. We'll set that value soon. Put this one, the green one, Ref 2, on the y-axis. And now I'm going to set the numbers, say 50, for example, just for example. Set the y value of the other, of Ref 2 to 30, just for example. And now I can zoom in and do some fine adjustments to get those markers in the right position. And once I'm happy with the positions, I'm changing this to data points rather than lines, as you can see there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace out or click on all those points. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag targets out of this little target box. And now you can see where I dragged it to, it has given the coordinates. And that makes sense given the coordinates of the x-axis. And next I'll drag the next point out. And then I'll drag the next point out. Now you can tell where you've added points because if you just hover your cursor over them, you can see the values of those points. And so you can see there on those points I don't have any markers present. And if I zoom out, I can see them a little bit clearer. Okay, zooming back in, and now remembering where I was, we have to go in order. It's very important. I'll continue to drag the markers out to the consecutive points. Okay, and when I'm happy with what I have, all my data points, I'll go to File, Export Data. And I'll export this data as, say, 0 test or something like that. It saves it as a text file. And let's go in and open that text file and have a look. Okay, and now inside the text file I can see that I have a list of all the XY data point pairs that I had marked using Datathief. And now I can use those values of each of the data points in whatever program I would like to use to obtain the distances of each of the individual steps. And that's how you proceed with that part of the problem.